1, 2, 3.
Hi guys, good day. So this time, pumunta tayo kay Ate AJ sa aking glam team para sa aking TV guesting for today's video. There you go. Hi guys! So finally, nandito tayo sa Glamorous Creation by AJ Ness. Medyo late na tayo. Nandito na ang glam team. Diba? Yan. From bare face. And then, yan. Then later may kita natin yung aking transformation. So, let's go! Luto na!
Ito na po.
Patas pasol. Ay! Perfect!
Ayan talaga yan. Medyo may sakit.
Medyo lang yan.
Tsaka sa may puwet, patawarin mo siya mamaya. Bulat natin mo na yung puwet niya.
Hindi lahat to isang ano na. Dasal ka na. 1, 2, 3.
Pinakita mo talaga. Preso! Pinakita ko yung kanyas.
Tingin? Sino ka dyan? what's up guys? Sister, ano na?
Hello!
Saan tayo? Saan ang rampa?
Going to TV5, yeah, studio. Grabe, after 2 hours ng makeup, then finally, Lady Marga is coming.
Yes, galingan mo later. Ang tanong, Charis.
Wag sanang kabahan. Marvin is out. Lady
Marga.
Marga is in.
Yeah.
Hello! Mabuhay, Philippine Airlines. Grabe mga assistant ko. Oh.
Hi everyone. So, nandito kami ngayon sa TV5. May guesting si Lady Marga. Sasamahan namin sila siya. So, kaming tatlo is, we're here to assist. Especially me. Outfit for today. Tapos yung shade sa atin, palaban. Outfit check.
Check. Babae. Babae.
Babae.
Babaihan.
Diba? Walang tulog. Oh. Patingin ng walang tulog. Hello guys! So we're here na sa TV5 and ito lang ang aking sister.
Hello.
Yan, oh.
Grabe, literal pa na ng special guest. So sa isang show, tayo talaga yung lalabas. Oh my God, I'm so nervous. Mas lalo pa akong kinabahan ngayon. Mamu and Papu, ayan. Mamu Christine and Papu Julius Babaw. I'm here na and I'm so nervous because I have nervous system. Oh my God. Thank you so much for this opportunity. Yes, sir.
Tuloy na natin ang pagwagayway ng rainbow flag ngayong Pride Month, di ba, Tony?
My favorite month!
Yes, kung saan ang ibang members ng LGBTQIA+ ay hirap mag-out dahil nga sa takot ng rejection. Well, ibahin niyo ho ang kwento ng ating panauhin. Isa po siyang drag performer na mula sa pamilya ng mga pulis.
Ayun na, alam mo, pag narinig mo yung pulis, parang nanginginig ka na eh, di ba? Pero kwela ko yung kwento niya, nung mabukelya, ang kanyang
mabukelya.
sexuality. Tinanong lang naman siya, ayan ha, tinanong lang naman siya ng kanyang ate, kung bet niya bang mag-makeup. Ganun! And the rest is history. Pakinggan na natin ang kwento ng content creator. Ikaw na ba, Tony, dugtungan mo na to.
Pakilala mo na.
Content creator,
Actually, you go ahead, Daddy, kasi I think you do this
singer
way
at
better.
drag performer na si Marvin Lubao.
Welcome po!
Hello, magandang araw po, Mamu and Papu. And yes, oh my God, magandang araw po sa mga viewers natin. Grabe, nakakakaba dito. It's me, Marvin Lubao, also known as Lady Marga.
Lady
Oh my
Marga.
God, ito na po pala, grabe yung kaba, no?
Mukhang ano na.
Ayan guys, ayun tayo. Kakatapos na lang kasamahan natin dito ng guesting sa Tintin and Julius Babaw Show para sa Pamilyang Pilipino. Ma'am Tin, thank you so much!
Welcome! Abangan! June 23, Jules and Tintin para sa Pamilyang Pilipino with Lady Mark.
Yes! Thank you so much. I love you.
I love you. Magpalitan na
And
kayo.
of course,
Yes,
Tony. And Tony, the beautiful Tony. She's a cosplayer. You're so pretty.
Yeah,
But you're so
cosplayer.
personal.
Meron akong cosplay event on October 30-31 at Sheraton called Cos Planet. Make sure you come, guys, if you like dressing up or cosplay.
See you there.
Yeah,
Birthday ko
bye-bye.
yun.
Hello everybody. So kakatapos lang ng guesting ni Marga. Asan na siya? Andun siya. So yeah, it was a fun guesting. Actually, super natuwa sa kanila si Ma'am Tintin and Sir Julius with their I think it's their daughter, I believe. And ayun, so we're heading back to our lounge. And yes, sister! I'm so happy!
We're done.
Yeah. Kosta?
Yes, ito, may mga bagong shows na naman tayo and meron na naman tayo mga bagong events. Grabe yung opportunities. Thank you so much, Lord. Thank you so much, everyone, for always supporting me.
Yes, lalo na na-plug mo on national TV. Na-plug mo on national TV yung ang iyong pangalan, ang iyong apelido, ang iyong contact details and everything. So expect more, di ba, sister?
Yes,
Yes.
Hi guys! So yan, tapos na yung guesting natin. Special guest pala tayo, hindi ko alam. Grabe. Julius and Tintin Babaw Show para sa Pamilyang Pilipino. Yan, tapos na tayo. Grabe, sobrang kaba ko doon. Pero yan, bago matapos ng show, nawalay pa ba natin? Grabe sarap sa feeling. Dami-daming opportunities. Thank you so much for watching, guys. That's it for today's video. And for more videos, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for you to be updated and be the first to watch our next videos. Once again, it's me, Marvin, also known as Lady Marga. Thank you so much. See you again to our next vlog. Bye!